angels, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you guys are here because today is an exciting day. This video is in collaboration with 3 other amazing and beautiful women that you guys have absolutely got to check out. We're all doing office tours and updates in the office. They are amazing. Their homes are amazing. One is Nadia. It's styled by Casanova. You guys, oh my god, you will love her. Her home design style is amazing. She has a really high-end office. You have got to check that out. And then you also have Christine. Christine's home is beautiful. Oh my god, her home is beautiful. They have redid a lot of their house. Like, oh my god, you seriously have to go check out her home and her office as well. And then you have Naomi at Glamorously Living, and oh my god, like, she has done amazing work in her home. Her style is amazing and she's the sweetest ever. You have got to go check her home out. Be sure to go check out their channels because I promise you, you will love them, okay? You will love them. So when you're finished watching this video, I will leave all of their videos to their office in the end card, so be sure to check those out and go watch them. For those of you who are new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle, so from home decor and DIY projects to fashion and beauty. If any of that interests you, I would love to have you part of the family. So be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as turn that notification bell on so you get updates each time I upload a video. Don't forget, everything that I am sharing with you will be in my description box. And if you're unsure where to find the description box, if you're watching from your phone, it's always going to be that little drop down arrow that's in the right hand side of the screen. All you do is click that little drop down arrow and it'll show everything and all the information that I'm leaving you guys. Also, everything that I have in my home, all the products that I use, all of that is also in my Amazon store, which the link is here if you want to check it out later, or gonna be linked below. If you enjoyed this video or find any of my tips helpful, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Alright guys, let's get started. Here's an overview of my office. I previously shared an in-depth detailed office tour, and I shared with you all the details of where I got everything and how I built this office and how I designed it. I will say the most expensive thing in my office is my built-ins. That's what I paid the most for. I think my desk and my chair was next. They were about $200 each. But yeah, other than that, it's a pretty reasonable office, and you know, depending on your budget, it can definitely be affordable. Everything in here came from either Amazon or IKEA or Kohl's or Hobby Lobby or Michael's, Ross, Home Goods. Like my desk I got from Amazon, which I will also leave the link below. Like, I built it and put it together myself. You can check that video out. And then everything else I designed and then built. So like my frames came from IKEA and all of that. Again, if you want to know where and how I built this office and where everything came from and how I designed it, be sure to go ahead and head over to the design video and check that out. Today it's going to be like a refresh. I'm going to be sharing with you a few productivity and decor updates that work well for me. I encourage you guys to revamp your workspace and see what works for you. So the first thing I'm added to my office is my Google Assist. Like, when I tell you, my mini Google is my assistant, okay? Like, I kid you not, I love this thing. I mean, it does so many things. It can put things in your calendar so that you don't have to take time out to write it down or to put it in your phone. Like, it does all of that for you. You can make a grocery list just talking to it. You can play music from it. You can talk through a phone call through it. It's Bluetooth. I mean, it's so amazing. And I always get stuck on words because I'm a horrible speller. I'm a math person, okay? I am definitely a math person. I'm definitely not a speller, so I'm always like, oh my god, how do you spell this? Like, seriously, watch this. Hey Google, how do you spell forever?
Forever is spelled F-O-R-E-V-E-R.
Thank you. Hey Google, what is 12 times 15?
The answer is 180.
Hey Google, can you add to my calendar a conference call at 3 p.m. today? See that? Hey Google, what's the weather like? Hey Google, what's on my calendar today? Hey Google, play my classical relaxation station. Hey Google, play 107.5. Hey Google, stop the music. So when I tell you this thing is like amazing, and for our home, and a lot of times like my husband may be downstairs or in another room, I have them all over my home, so I can literally just announce on one, you know, I can tell her I'm not gonna say it because if I say it, she's gonna answer. But anyway, I can tell her to announce, you know, hey husband, can you come here for a minute? This thing is amazing. It's my assistant. It's sped me up and it's definitely helped with my productivity here in my office. I love this thing. So I definitely recommend that. I will leave a link for everything below. And then another gadget that I like had to add to my office was a battery charger for my phone. Now, you know, some people like to put their phone away, and I don't actually answer my phone, but I do like to have it in front of me in case my agent reach out or an emergency or something like that. In addition, I'm usually doing a lot of photo editing and social media work on my phone, so my battery just stays dead. So I found this little wireless charger because my phone acts crazy with the plug, so I can't really plug it in. It doesn't charge, so I have to use a wireless charger. This wireless charger is a standard wireless charger. It's like amazing because you can stand it up straight, you can turn it sideways, you can watch videos. This works perfect for me because like if I want to watch a video while I'm editing or check out something on my phone, I can do both, and it's right there in front of me, and it stands up straight, and it's not laying down, because a lot of times like when it's laying down I can't see it or whatever, but this stands it up straight. I love this thing. It was an amazing find for me. Okay, another tech gadget that I literally had to have that to help me get through the day was a mug warmer. This thing, you can put your mug on it and it keeps your coffee or tea warm. So for those long days that I have of editing and I'm trying to get through it and push through and I need my coffee, and a lot of times like my coffee go cold after 20 minutes and I have to go run downstairs to throw in the microwave, which is wasting time, and it's just like, oh my god. Like when I start doing something, I like to finish it. So when I break or have to go do something else, it literally messes with my productivity and it gets on my nerves because a lot of times it's hard to get back in that groove. So this coffee warmer is like amazing because it keeps my coffee warm and keeps me in my chair, so I don't have to go downstairs and get it. So this thing is great for any office space, even if you're at a cubicle, wherever you're at, you don't have to worry about getting up. And this thing keeps your coffee warm. Okay, I love it. It definitely helps with my productivity because I need that, you know, especially when I need to keep pushing. It's like the best thing for me because I'm a coffee lover. Okay, so for you coffee lovers out there, this thing will definitely be helpful. All right, so moving on, the focal point of my office is my desk, and this is where I can either become overly overwhelmed from, you know, like just stuff everywhere or things I have to do, or it's the place where I can actually work. So I wanted to make my desk space more productive for me, and there are a few things that I found that helped with that. Some desk organizers, because I like my desk to be like clean, but at the same time I need things that are easily accessible, and I need it right here in front of me. I don't like getting up, going over somewhere for certain things. So I found this clear acrylic riser for your desk. It's actually for a monitor, but I don't need it for the monitor. I'm actually going to use it so that I can actually stack things on my desk to give me more space. And so I used it so that I can put my junk tray under. So for me, I need a junk bin. So that's how I can keep my desk clear. So this is my junk bin. So when I need to throw notes in there or pens or staples or anything, like I just don't, you know, just to keep the desk clear, I throw it in there. And that's a tip for all of you who need a little bit of help and push to keep your space clean. That's one little key. Have your junk bin, you know, so that way, you know, you can still keep it clear and throw everything in there and clean that out later. And then another thing that I actually found, because I wanted a file holder on my desk, so those things that I need quick access to, or things that needs attention and I don't want to like put it away or file it away just yet. I need it like near me or in my face so that I can actually remember to do that, or look at those documents. I found this file holder from Hobby Lobby, and I actually got it for about 40 or 50% off with the coupon. This was perfect. And what I also did was I picked up some white folders from Amazon so that it blends in with the office. And that's another key. Like if you can find decor that blends in with your office. It still keeps it from looking junky. It still makes it look like a clean space. Also, in addition, I have, if you guys didn't previously see my DIY planner, I create a lot of my own calendars and planners with canvas because I need something that works for me. And a lot of times when I buy them, they have stuff I really don't need and they're missing the things that I need. So I like to cater my planners and calendars to me. I created a new monthly planner and a weekly planner. So if you guys actually want a copy of this, they're on my website. So I can leave a link to these planners in my description box, so you can be sure to head there or go to my website, theangeljackson.com, and they'll be on there as well. So if you want them, like, you can download them for free. Like me, they may not work for you, but if you do want them, they're there. I do find that my custom planners work so much better for me, and they're so much more productive for me, and they help me to be efficient. So yeah, having this right here works great for me and my office. Another little hack is, like, I have to have notepads. Like, I have to have a notepad like within reaching distance, literally. And that's kind of all over my house, as a matter of fact. But especially in my office, because I always have a thought that comes to my mind, or I see something, or I think about, oh, I forgot this. And I also do my daily to-do list on a notepad. So I'll look at my week and my monthly plan. I was like, okay. And then I literally write down each and every item that needs to get done today. That's an absolute must, priority. And notepads come in handy for me. And I don't need them tucked away. I have to have them like in a reachable distance. There are those neon and those yellow and green and orange and all of those, you know, wild color pads. But a lot of times if you see that over your desk, it makes your desk look cluttered or messy. So what I found is some white pads that blends in with my desk. And they don't make my desk look cluttered because they blend right in. It doesn't stick out like a sore thumb like the orange one was or the neon ones. Another little hack is sometimes, like, I know for me, like, my desk can easily become overwhelmed quickly. Like if I pull out my mail and I got my calendar and my to-do list, and I just so much get going on my desk, documents I gotta sign, receipts I gotta look over, this desk can easily get overwhelmed. So my to-do list that I do write on my notepad can easily become like hidden, lost, non-existent. Like, where is it? So a little hack that I am going to show you guys is a little DIY project, a photo clip frame that gets my to-do list standing in front of me so that it's not hidden or it doesn't become hidden. And this little DIY project is easy. I just took a picture frame from Dollar Tree and I removed the backing, I removed the glass, and I coated it with a sheet of marble contact paper. Y'all know I like my contact paper. I'm like a contact paper queen, okay? But yeah, so I just covered it with marble. This is my favorite white marble contact paper, guys. Like, seriously, hands down, I love contact paper, but some of it doesn't look like marble and some of it is just not cool. I love this one. I have used this one religiously for years. If you want this one, I will definitely leave a link below in my description box. So yeah, I just coat it, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 2 magnets to the back of this. I have like a whole box of these little magnets because I love DIY projects. I picked these up from Walmart, and then I also picked up a little clip from Walmart as well, and I just literally taped the magnets to the back, and then I put the back into the frame, and all I had to do was stick the little clip on there. And guys, you can stick anything in this frame. You can stick pictures, you can stick quotes that you like, but for me, I put my little to-do list in it so that it's standing up. That's the main purpose of this project, is so that it's standing up in front of me and doesn't get lost in the pile, because there are piles on my desk. Don't get it twisted, it's clean today. But a pile can literally occur quickly, like in a day. But that way my to-do list doesn't get lost in the pile on my desk. So the last thing I'm gonna do in my office today is I want to change out one of my paintings on my bookshelf. Like, from my last video, I showed you guys, I went into detail about my entire bookshelf and where I got everything, and I have a lot of DIY projects on here because I like to save money. But this wall art, it was from my old office. It was a DIY project. I just drew circles on here literally all the way around, and then I colored them in with a black marker. So it's like an abstract piece of art, and if you have the time to do it, it's so easy to do. You can do it. But I am kind of tired of it. I was like, I just want to take it out and remove it and put a little bit more color in that frame. So I found this big old tub of cardstock. Like, it's the cutest, adorable cardstock from Michaels. I used a 50% off coupon, and it has 60 sheets of cardstock. 60. That's a lot of wall art. Like in my last house, 90% of the items on my wall was DIY projects. So I love cardstock. You can do a gallery wall. You can just set up pieces wherever you want. Like, you can do so much with cardstock, guys. So I used this cardstock that I found. It's like a mint bluish, because that is an accent color here in my office. So I literally just took that out the frame and replaced it with the cardstock. Such an easy DIY project, easy fix, easy decor, super cheap decor, and I love the way it came out. I just wanted to add a little bit more color to the office and take away a little bit more of the black. So that's what I did, and I love the turnout. I do hope you guys enjoyed this office update and these productivity and decor hacks that I share with you guys, and leave me a comment below telling me what item you like the best. I'm curious to know. And don't forget to go ahead and head over to these other beautiful ladies' offices and check out their updates and check out their homes. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels, as well as click that little notification bell so that you get updates each and every time we upload a video.